Greetings and welcome to one and all for this new series of studies on the Gospel according to Saint John. There is an aphorism that I'd like to quote to all of you at the very beginning, at the very first session itself. I have seen various iterations of this saying, but the version I most often recite goes like this: that we do not see the things as they are, but we see things as we are. Every time we encounter many group of people who are, some of them are very well known to the scriptures, who study the Bible, and there is another group who are not much known to the scriptures. So even the people who are listening to this series of lectures will have these differences. So my attempt first of all is to reach to each and every one of you, those who know the scriptures well and those who are yet growing in the scriptures. So I'd like to begin with this admission. I have a set of lenses that you cannot see but without which I cannot see. These are the lenses of my background and my experiences, my gender and my upbringing, my ethnicity and my education. These lenses shape, color, inform, and even taint my view of the world and my very best attempts at objectivity. This is also true for each one of you. I begin this series this way because I want every one of you to strive for objectivity while also realizing that the objectivity will never be fully achieved. I want you all to learn to embrace your own experiences, your own backgrounds and viewpoints while striving both to question and to transcend them. This particular study is admittedly a product of my own personal lenses. It is therefore imperfect and to a certain degree both culturally conditioned and socially located, despite my very best attempts to see beyond my own limitations. I confess that I see the Gospel of John not as it is, but as I am. Thus, this particular study is not intended to be a final word on the subject, but rather a Bible student's take on how to read and understand the Gospel. Still, I hope that what we are going to study over here will prove useful to those who are interested in studying the Gospel of John, be it may it be in a classroom or a Bible study group or even on their own personal level. Above all, I want to help others become better, more perceptive readers of the Gospel of John, with an ability to trace the rhetoric of the narrative from beginning to the end.